New school nigga with an old school swag.
That's what these bitches like.
Going in these stores, crack on my tag.
That's what I feel like.
And I ain't really tripping on the price on nut.
Shit, I'm just living life.
Walk up in the spot, bitches shift they ice.
Them bitches listen.
See, I came a long way from being that nigga that they slept on. Now I'm with the bitches of these niggas getting crept on. These niggas is rectal, my niggas is head first. Creep up to the bedroom, I gave shorty head first. Nasty motherfucker, you see I got my tongue pierced. You trying to see how nasty is when shorty come here. Bet you never got that dick in the porcelain cabin on one of them bed-skin rugs. Well, I can make your hair shake, and I ain't just rap, no, and I can make you graphic. Lick your neck to get you wet and rub you like ceramic. Stuff you like the turkey that they finna feed the family. Them other niggas can't do like I do, babe, understand me.
See, baby, I'm what you need. I'm what you need. When you're tripping, you want something different, you not think about me. Girl, what you mean? When you got come here, dog, shit, it don't matter when you want it, cause for you, I'll be on call. This here, triple A love, triple A love, triple A love, triple A. Girl, what you mean? Girl, what you mean? Girl, what you mean? When you're tripping, you want something different, you not think about me. I'm what you
Scratching on my back though, that's cool but no hickeys. And I hope you got some time to spare, cause I don't do no quickies. Use no sticky like marshmallows on Rice Krispie. The peanut butter on crackers. A matter of fact, baby, this way, straight from North 16. I'ma rep that to my death, but off that though I'm back to you. Girl, I like to make you sweat. Girl, I like them heavy breaths. You would think this was insanity to work out. Process in reverse now. Pants down, drawers on, shirt off. I like it when you're moaning my name. I'ma hit you with a pop like bang bang. I'm big dog, that's great thing. I'm going deep, hokey like pain. Girl, I got a sweet tooth, and I treat you like candy, man. I do what other niggas can't. I hope you understand me.
Baby, I'm what you need. I'm what you need. When you're tripping and you want something different, you not think about me. Girl, what you mean? Girl, what you mean? When I come here, dog, shit, it don't matter when you want it, cause for you, I'll be on call. This shit, that triple A love, triple A love,